of the hour, let's tell you exactly what could be the possible reasons that led to the sudden exit of Jagdeep Dhankar. His resignation right after attending the first day of the monsoon session of Parliament. Was it growing friction? Was there some other reason? Or was it just plain health medical grounds as being stated in his resignation letter? Well, what is being said according to sources, let's put that out because there are multiple issues that are now being cited, that Jagdeep Dhankar apparently used to behave very rudely with the cabinet ministers of the government, and he may have humiliated ministers of the government, including top 5 cabinet ministers, including a woman cabinet minister. Now, even before the visit of the US Vice President J.D. Vance to India, Dhankar is learned to have said that since he is a counterpart, he will have an important and big meeting with J.D. Vance. However, a senior cabinet minister called him and told him that even though J.D. Vance is the US Vice President, he is bringing a message for Prime Minister Modi. Now, there could be another possible reason that portraits of the Prime Minister and President that are put up in the ministers' offices, he is learned to have insisted on putting up his portrait along with them. Then there is another issue, what is being said, that he pressurized many times to change all the cars in his fleet to Mercedes. These are one of the possible reasons that are being said. And of course, the main one that is being cited on accepting the opposition motion with regards to Justice Verma is concerned. But all of these, now the allegations that have been leveled because the speculations and the curiosity that seems to be rising on part of the opposition as well, that is there more than meets the eye? And dal mein kuch kala is something what the opposition has been quipping, saying that these are the matters, though they have not been calling Jagdeep Dhankar as an unbiased leader. However, they have been questioning over the sudden exit, and that could have been a lot of pressure as they believe that could be building up for his sudden exit as the vice president of the country. Already, when it comes to messages that came in from the Prime Minister himself, where he has wished Jagdeep Dhankar good health, and mainly when it comes to the leaders from the government side who have been saying that avoid all speculations at health grounds, and resigning on health grounds is extremely important to take care of one's whole medical condition. Let's get a word from Tetri now. Tetri, speculations continue. Was it the motion that was the trigger that it was accepted by Jagdeep Dhankar of the opposition? Was there building friction when it comes to Jagdeep Dhankar and the government, mainly cabinet ministers? Was it his behavior? So many of these theories that have been floating.
Well, there are a number of speculations that are being floated as far as the resignation is concerned, and the political corridors are also, quite volatile so as to why he resigned. But if we talk about the speculations one by one, as we have been mentioning earlier as well, then we talk about it's being said that his behavior with the cabinet ministers was rude. Not just that, but also in fact the manner in which he spoke to them, that was quite in a way that felt like it was an insult to them, insult to their post as well. Not just that, but he also in fact wanted a fleet of Mercedes. Apart from that, he wanted a meeting. He assumed that he would also have a meeting, an official meeting with the former vice president of United States, Mr. J.D. Vance. So that was in fact all what triggered this kind of resentment between the government and the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. But as far as the motion is concerned, then yes, the fact of the matter is that the government wanted that. They wanted to portray themselves as someone who is against corruption, and that is why the motion was said to be introduced in the Lok Sabha as well against Justice Yashwant Verma. But the manner in which it happened in Rajya Sabha, it upset the government because 63 MPs from the opposition had already signed that particular motion and a notice, and had sent it to Jagdeep Dhankar, and there was no proper coordination, no discussion so as to what needs to happen next. He already mentioned about it in the Rajya Sabha. That is what seemed to upset government. So, but yes, of course, these are all speculations. This is not a concrete conclusion so as to why he resigned. The government also says that he has resigned citing the health reasons, but perhaps the manner in which he has resigned certainly raises a number of questions, but still awaited for a concrete reason, because these are just the speculations in the political corridor. Opposition on one hand demanding that there should be a proper farewell, because we have been seeing that he was a very senior member.
Tetri, questions still will arise. Are they genuinely concerned, or they really do want to know the reason? Because time and again, previously when Jagdeep Dhankar was in the post of the vice president, they have been calling him as a partisan leader. Now, right after he has resigned and he stepped down, now they have been labeling him as a Kisan Putra, being insulted and humiliated. How do we understand the opposition stand?
Well, absolutely. You see, yesterday, Congress leaders also said that he was a Jat Putra, he is a Kisan Putra, and it's a deliberate insult by the ruling government. Not just that, but Congress leader Udit Raj, as always, injected the caste angle also and said that he's a second Jat leader that's been sidelined by the BJP. The voices are unheard of the minorities in the BJP is what he kept on saying. But as far as the stand of the opposition party is concerned, they should also definitely make it clear, because they were the one who were set to bring an impeachment motion against the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Not just that, but also, in fact, they kept on saying time and again that he is biased towards the government as well. He's biased towards the government and he does not give equal chance to the opposition MPs to speak in the parliament as well. So these all were the charges that the opposition kept on making, not just once, but multiple times. And if we talk, about India bloc itself, then what immediately after the resignation of Jagdeep Dhankar, there have been much of the
answers as the floaties of the theories continue to float over Jagdeep Dhankar's sudden exit. Meanwhile, when it comes to the process of what will happen now, according to the constitution, let's put out another breaking update, what we are learning now.